Why is it 10 o'clock? What day is it? Crap, it's Monday. Mario, come quickly! We're gonna be late for work. All the toilets are clogged in the house. Luigi, I just woke up. I don't care. Okay, Luigi, let's go and clean the first toilet. What, Mario? Does it smell that? Oh, this game, that smells really bad. Actually, yeah, never mind. Okay, Luigi, close the door so that the smell doesn't escape to the rest of the house. Okay, there we go. And now we just gotta clean the toilet. Now, the question is, what the heck is under this lid? I have no idea, Mario. Oh, crap. Luigi? Yes. There's nothing in the toilet. What? Yes, there's nothing in the toilet. I'm not kidding. Why? I don't know. Is there anything in there? Or like on the toilet? Yeah, there's a bunch of crap on the toilet seat. Oh, that's disgusting. Luigi, that is the most disgusting thing that I've ever seen. Yeah, I know, Mario. We're gonna have to clean it up. How? With a Clorox wipe. Boy. Okay, Luigi, I'm gonna teach you how to do this. So first, we go like that. We just clean it up. And okay. That's one way to do it. And then we clean that up. There we go. And we clean that up. That. 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 Ah! I got poop on me! Oh my god! Someone get it off. Okay, it's off now. Mario, or you could do it like this. Luigi? Yeah, he's okay. We'll just leave it there. Yeah, it's fine. Wow, I can't believe that it's already 2 o'clock, Mario. Yeah, Luigi. Well, now it's time to go to sleep. Because we got a midnight shift as well, so. I'm gonna get some sleep. Yeah, me too. The next day. Oh, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Well, yeah, I mean, the lady's got their lady business, so. Wait, what's it?